Good afternoon, everyone. Today's episode is going to focus on this rose bush. I've had it a couple of years, and just to give you a little background on what I want to focus on and try to accomplish is this rose bush has kind of been stuck in the state that you're seeing it right now. I live in Southern California. We're already into the second week of June, and it's stuck here. No new leaves, no blooms, no nothing. And a little background. Um, I pruned this in, I think, early February. You should be pruning the roses late January, early February. I pruned it, and then when March came along, early March, it got very hot out here in Southern California. It got hot for a period of probably 2 weeks, and everything started growing. The rose bush started growing. It started sprouting new leaves. I think I even got a rose or two out of it. And then it got cold again because, again, it was so early in the year, and it got cold for a period of, I don't know, probably 2 months. It started warming up again here in Southern California, like maybe mid-May, and nothing's happened since then. So the purpose of this episode here is I am going to re-prune this. I'm going to take off all of the leaves, and I want to see if I could force it to kind of, spark some new life into it, get new leaves, get new blooms, and we'll see how it goes. So I'm just going to prune a little bit. I'm not going to show you everything, but basically what I'm going to do is I want to take a lot of this off, kind of like I did back in like I said, early February. I want to actually take like all the leaves off. So I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat this, but you see what I'm doing here. I'm just gonna remove everything, really get it pruned down short, and I'll show you the finished product. Okay, so as you can see, I removed all of the leaves. I pruned it back pretty short. This is kind of how it was back, like I said, in the beginning of February. What we'll do next is we'll kind of record again in about 10 to 14 days. And hopefully when we record then, we'll have some new blooms, some new buds, not new blooms, but new buds that will indicate that there's new growth that's taking place. So we'll keep our fingers crossed, and again, we'll see if this works. Good morning, everyone. It's now been 12 days since I pruned the rose bush, and I wanted to show you all that, in fact, new buds are starting to show here. So if you want to take a look here, again, 12 days in, and you can see all of the new growth that's already coming out. And I actually took the same approach with this rose bush over here the same day. This one's even taking off faster. And if you'll remember, prior to pruning them, they were totally just stuck. They weren't, no new leaves were coming out. And as you can see, by pruning them, it forced this new growth. What I'm going to do is I'm going to check in one last time, probably in another maybe 7 to 10 days, just so you can see that, in fact, the rose bush is continuing to grow and flourish. Okay, last update. It's now been 4 weeks, 4 or 5 weeks since the last video. And as you can see, the rose bush, it's doing well, it's healthy. We actually have new rose buds that are coming out on this particular rose bush. You can see on the other one, it's kind of more advanced. It took off even quicker than this one. You can see the roses. And really just the point of this quick video is just to show you that if your rose bush kind of stalled out for whatever reason, don't be afraid to go ahead and prune it again, remove all the leaves, and give the rose bush another chance to take off. So don't get caught up in, oh, I missed pruning season and now I just have to wait till next year. Again, go ahead and just follow the steps that I did. Rose bushes will still take off. It's not too late in the year. Just to give you an idea, today is what, July 13th, and they're doing really well. Take care, everyone. Hope this video helps out.